Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a character in a string in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got some incorrect information in the form of a string and you'd like to maybe replace a character in that string to correct such information. So I'll be showing you how to replace a character in a string in Python. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to type up my string, and that is my string. As you can see, I've got a typo here with hello, and that is what I'm going to be replacing. So all you do is you just say string.replace. So you're going to use the replace function in Python, and I'm going to replace in helco with hello. And you also have to assign this to a variable. So say, for example, string1 equals to that, because that is the only way, because this replace function essentially makes a copy of string. It doesn't replace the entire string completely. So if I print string, as you can see, I get that same string back, but then if I print string of 1, I get my corrected string. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to replace a character in a string in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.